What's up, y'all? Quick unboxing, week 15, spring summer 2018 unboxing. Now the thing is, this unboxing that I'm doing here, I didn't pick this up on Thursday, the Thursday that it dropped. This was an item that I was interested in from the time I saw it on the lookbook. I was like, okay, that's a hoodie I'm gonna get. Now the thing is, when the Thursday dropped, I don't know what exactly was highlighted on that week 15, but for some reason I completely overlooked it and I forgot about it. Maybe I saw it and I don't know what happened. Anyways, I didn't actually make the purchase until the Sunday night, and the package got here yesterday, I believe, or the day before yesterday. It's been here like 2 days. I think yesterday actually. So this is it, week 15, spring summer 18 unboxing. This was the week also when they did the Martin Luther King stuff. So I'm guessing I'm gonna get that pin in there. Okay. So get 2 box logo stickers as usual, and we got this hoodie in red. So this is what the item I was interested in. I'm not gonna take this one out of the packaging because right now, like, I got a lot of stuff I gotta get to and I just don't want to deal with unpacking and doing all of this. But I'll mention this: if you want to see how I style some of these pieces and how I wear them and how I rock them, follow me on my Instagram. Come by, like a pic, follow me, leave a few comments, and just hang out. Also, if you're enjoying this video, hit like and subscribe. It's really appreciated. Leave a comment down below also. Anything you want to ask me about Supreme, streetwear, sneakers, whatever. Like, I'm here and I'm open and I'm ready to hear whatever. Also, not only did I get the 2 box logo stickers with the item, I also got this sticker. So that's a pretty cool addition to my sticker collection. Now, I would have much rather get the pin, you know, beef up the pin collection a little bit, but you know, another Supreme sticker is always cool, and this thing is officially licensed to the King's estate. So happy about that, but more than anything else, really excited that I got this hoodie. Quick review: it says the land of fuck. All of this is screen printed, and you know already Supreme does really great screen printing. The quality is just awesome, and also it's, you know, it's you want to take care of your clothes. Also, I'll do an extra video on that and how I wash my streetwear and how I take care of it. But basically, if you take care of your clothes, you know, they last much longer. So, well, screen printing, you'll go, oh, it's screen printed only a little, but this also has an embroidered Supreme across the hood. So it says the land of swear word, and then there's like a girl here aiming down a gun. It says bless here and thing. Then it says thou shalt kill. I didn't know it said that. Love not force. We demand more. Bro, Supreme, do it now. So I got this hoodie and I still like it. It says here, we demand more gays with guns. So that flew well under the radar. I know a lot of people didn't see that. So this is an interesting hoodie now, where I'm just like, man, what the hell? Don't have anything else, anything against gays whatsoever. You know, I'm all for equality and everything, but why would they put that on the hoodie there? What is up, YouTube? So today is the drop day for the week, what is it, week 15 or week 16? Whatever week it is, it's the week of the Supreme North Face Part 2, and this is the week they're gonna be dropping that tent, Roomba tent with the snakeskin collection. So I'm going for the tent. I'm going for the green tent. Obviously, that's the right one to go for. I am not a reseller. I am a collector, so I would sort of have a better idea of what's more appealing. I don't know, it's just like sort of how I look at it. Now the green tent has a red box logo on the inside, whereas the black one, black and gray one, has a black and white box logo on the inside. The red and white logo is always more appealing, and also that green snakeskin print really pops. It stands out with against the red, and it's more, it looks like the one that would have more interest over time than the regular plain black one. So I'm gonna be going for the green tint, and it's 10:41 now, so Supreme drops in 19 minutes. So I'll check in with you guys then, and we'll do the live cap together and see how it goes. Okay guys, Supreme drops in less than 1 minute, so I'm ready. I'm just counted down 45 seconds. Not gonna bother talking too much about what's about to occur here. I'm just gonna try. I really need that that green tint. And I don't know, man. The EU sellout time was quite long. So don't know how it's gonna go here. It's gonna be. Ooh-wee. Alright, 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. I think there's gonna be a little delay today, like a little 40-second delay or so. 11, boom. Get your ass up, fucking stand up, raise a fist to the sky, lift your hand up, bust a shot, aim it high if you strapped up, let them know you'll attack if they act up. This is grounds. Ooh, process payment. Wow, that thing is gone already. Man, what the hell? Sheesh, wow. Wow, man. Oh my goodness, is the gray one still available? Still is. That's sold out. Wow, I didn't get a freaking tent. The gray one is saying it's not. Oh my goodness, that was fast. Holy banana cakes. Should I get the Zippo? Yeah, I don't want no damn Zippo. And these little sea line. Wow, those tents went so fast. Holy crap, that couldn't have even been 4 seconds. Oh man, it's saying that the gray one is still here, but when you click on it, it says sold out. So I don't know. Boy, wow. That was way too fast. The jackets are available, but I don't know that. Man, all of the basketball jerseys are gone. There's a couple items here that I do like, but I'm not interested in making a purchase today on any of these. So the backpacks are gone from the North Face strap, and both colors, and the duffel bag are still here. And it's already, it's only been 1 minute in. Wow, that was crazy. Wow, I'm so disappointed, man. I really wanted that damn tent. Okay, so now the gray one is saying sold out also. Man. Is there anything else here that I would be interested in? Okay, the lighter sold out too. That was a restock. So I guess a lot of people who had it before also wanted to get a second one, and then people who didn't get it at all, you know, they got an opportunity this week. So yeah, man, those tents went super duper fast. Wow, I'm not interested in anything else up here. I'm just browsing. The crew necks are still available. Man. So yeah, guys, there you have it. Took a L today. Damn. And wow, that was so fast. See you guys on the next one. Hey, I bless your track if you could pay. Meet me in the back door by the alleyway, and bring a stack about that much monopoly.